Every day we're surrounded by molecules, from the food that we eat to the air that we breathe. But what exactly are molecules? Molecules are made of tinier things called atoms. And atoms, we cannot see them, but when atoms connect together, they make molecules, and when molecules connect together, they make things that we can see, like plastic and metal. So atoms, when they connect together in a certain way, there's different kinds of atoms, and when they build together, they can make different things. So plastic, you can see and hear, right, is different than metal. Right? So the sound is different and the properties are different too. So for example, like plastic, it's much easier to bend the plastic, right? Whereas metal, much harder to bend it. So how do those atoms connect together to make molecules? Well, it's like Lego blocks, right? So the atoms, they can connect together and join together in different ways because of the properties of the atoms themselves. And when they connect together, they form molecules. So how can atoms join together to form molecules? That's what reactions are. So reactions are when these molecules made of atoms, when they connect together in different ways because of the reaction. So here's an example of that. You have flour, butter, milk, eggs, and baking soda. All of them are separate molecules, but if you put them all together and you add heat, the energy from heat, right, will be able to allow them to recombine into a tasty cake. And so the cake tastes different from these ingredients even when they're mixed together in a bowl, because the atoms inside of the different ingredients, they connect together differently because of the chemical reaction, and that's how you make a cake. Here's another example. So salt and black pepper, they're made of different atoms too. So if you use Google, you can see that salt is made of NaCl, right? Whereas black pepper is made of a lot of different atoms. And so does salt taste the same as black pepper? No, because they're made of different atoms, and those atoms are also connected in different ways. If I just mix salt with pepper, would this be a reaction? This would not be a reaction because they're still salt molecules and pepper molecules. If there was a reaction, then they would make a different molecule.